Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about how to solve equation involving surd. So how to solve surd equation? Firstly, we need to square both sides. Why? Because we need to make sure the surd disappear. Okay, bila kita square both sides, biasanya bila kita expand, surd akan hilang. And then rearrange. Okay, kita susun balik yang ada surd dekat belah kiri, left hand side, and yang tak ada surd dekat belah kanan, right hand side. Next, bila kita dah expand, still ada surd. Okay, so we need to square both sides one more time and then expand again. Okay, kita square both sides sekali lagi, lepas tu kita expand. Biasanya surd tu akan hilang lah. After that, solve for the value of x. Okay, biasanya we can find x. Jadikan x sebagai subject. And lastly, don't forget to check the solution. Okay, the value of x that we get, okay, x yang kita dapat tu, actually kita kena check sama ada x tu adalah jawapan dia ke tak. So how to check? Let's look at the example for solve surd equation. For example 5, we need to solve surd 2x minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. So, as I told you before, we need to square both sides. But, for this example, to make it easier, untuk memudahkan jalan kerja kita, better, minus 5 ni, we transfer to the right hand side first. Okay, I will show you why. Okay, kalau kita nak square both sides straight away pun, no problem. But, our solution will be longer. If we transfer negative 5 to the right hand side, our solution will become easier. Okay, I will show you. We have surd 2x minus 1. Okay, bila kita transfer minus 5 ke belah kanan, kita akan dapat 5. So, if we square both sides, put bracket here, everything on the left hand side should be squared and also at the right hand side. Okay, semua dekat belah kiri, kita buat bracket kuasa 2. Kat belah kanan pun sama, bracket kuasa 2. Okay, so we can see here, we have surd squared. That's why, surd tu akan hilang terus lah. Okay, so we have 2x minus 1 equal to 5 squared, 25. Okay, make x as a subject, so we will get 2x equal to negative 1, transfer here, 25 plus 1, 26. So x equal to 13. We cannot leave our answer just like this. We need to check first whether our x here is our solution or not. Okay, sama ada x ni kita punya solution ataupun tak. Kita kena check dulu. So how? Okay, check. Okay, equation asal or the original equation is 2x minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, when x equal to 13, we need to substitute the value of x. So 2 times 13 minus 1 surd minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, actually the way to check, okay, macam-macam style kita boleh tulis. Okay, so ni one of the way kita nak tulis kita punya check. Okay, surd 2 times 13, 26 minus 1 minus 5. Okay, kita nak tengok sama ada betul tak dia equal to 0. Surd 25 minus 6, surd 25 set 25, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So, left hand side and right hand side, okay, the value is the same, which is 0. So, bila 0, that means our x betul lah. X sama dengan 13. So, our final answer is x equal to 13. Okay, let's say bila kita check left hand side dengan right hand side, the value is not the same. Okay, value dia tak sama. Jadi 13 ni bukan jawapan dia. Okay, we need to write empty set. Next, proceed to 5b. Okay, for this question, we have set 3x plus 1 plus 1 equal to x. As I told you before, we can straight away square both sides. But, okay, here we have plus 1. If we transfer plus 1 to the right hand side, our solution will be easier. Okay, transfer, pindahkan tambah 1 tu ke belah kanan. Jalan kerja kita akan jadi lagi simple. Okay, now we have set 3x plus 1. Plus 1, kita transfer ke belah sana, dia akan dapat x minus 1. Now, barulah kita square both side. Okay, put in bracket the whole thing in the left hand side and the whole thing at the right hand side. Left hand side, we have set 3x plus 1 squared. So, bila set dengan squared, done. We only have 3x plus 1 sebab set dia dah hilang. X minus 1 squared, since we have in bracket squared, so we need to expand. Okay, write like this, x minus 1, x minus 1. So, 3x plus 1 equal to, this one, we need to expand. X times x, x squared, x times negative 1 minus x, negative 1 times x, minus x, negative 1 times negative 1, positive 1. Now, kita dah hilang set dah. Tak ada dah set. Okay, bila dah tak ada set, barulah kita boleh solve. If you look at this, we have quadratic equation. So, how to solve quadratic equation? We need to rearrange first. So, x squared minus x minus 2x plus 1. Okay, 3x plus 1 kita transfer ke one side. So, minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So, simplify x squared minus 2x minus 3x minus 5x plus 1 minus 1, done. So, x squared minus 5x equal to 0. So, how to find the value of x? Factorize x. So, we will have x in bracket x minus 5 equal to 0. So, our x is x equal to 0 and x minus 5 equal to 0. That means x equal to 5. Okay, and then we need to check this value of x. Now we have 2x, but we need to check whether we have 2 value of x. Dua-dua x ni kita terima, atau bila kita check satu je jawapan yang kita terima, ataupun bila kita check dua-dua pun bukan jawapan dia. So, how to check? Okay, this is our original equation. Set 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Just now, we already have the value of x. X equal to 0 and x equal to 5. Okay, so bila kita nak check, kita ambil left hand side. Our left hand side dekat original equation is 3x plus 1 plus 1. Okay, since we have x equal to 0, try substitute. So 3 times 0 plus 1 plus 1. 3 times 0, 0. plus 1, set 1 plus 1. Set 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, and then we check dia punya right hand side. Right hand side x, that means 0 lah. Okay, so 0 and 2 sama tak? 0 is not equal to 2. That's why kita reject x equal to 0. Kita tak terima lah x equal to 0. And then check pula untuk the another one. When x equal to 5. Okay, left hand side, substitute, set 3x plus 1. So set 3 times 5 plus 1 plus 1. We will get set 3 times 5, 15 plus 1, 16 plus 1. So set 16, 4 plus 1. So kita akan dapat left hand side 5. Right hand side is x. So our x is 5. So now we have right hand side 5 and left hand side 5. Sama kan? So 5 sama dengan 5. That means kita boleh ambil lah x equal to 5 ni. That's why our final answer is x equal to 5 only. Sebab apa? Sebab kita reject 0 tadi. Sebab bila kita check 0 tu, bila kita check left hand side dengan right hand side, nilai dia, value dia tak sama. Okay, the value is not the same. So this is our final answer. Now we proceed to example 5C. Okay, we have set x plus set x plus 2 equal to 2. Okay, as I told you before, we can straight away square both sides. Okay, for this example. But for me, I will transfer set x ni ke belah kanan dulu. So now we will have set x plus 2 equal to 2 minus set x. Okay, after this, barulah saya akan square both side. Okay, square both side. The whole thing on the left hand side squared. The whole thing at the right hand side pun kita squared. Okay, semua belah kanan tu kita buat bracket, kita squared. Belah kiri pun kita buat squared. Kena bubuh bracket, baru nampak. Okay, for left hand side, we have set x plus 2 squared. So set hilang lah. Tinggal x plus 2. And this one, since we have 2 minus set x squared, write like this first. 2 minus set x times 2 minus set x. And then we expand. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times negative set 2 minus 2 set 2 minus set 2 times 2 minus 2 set 2, set x, and minus set x times minus set x, minus positive. Set x times set x, set yang sama, bila multiply we will get x. Okay, so this one we can simplify. We will have x plus 2 equal to 4 plus x, negative 2 set x minus 2 set x, negative 2 minus 2, so negative 4 set x. Okay, so now kita still ada set kan, jadi we cannot solve lagi. Okay, so apa yang kita kena buat? We need to rearrange. Kumpulkan yang ada set dekat sebelah kiri dan yang tak ada set dekat sebelah kanan. So now we have 4 set x equal to 4 plus x minus 2. And then simplify, we will get 4 set x equal to 4 minus 2, 2, x minus x, done. So set x is equal to 2 over 4. So 2 over 4, 1 over 2. Okay. Since we have set here, we need to square both sides again. So square both sides. Set x squared, x. 1 over 2 squared, 1 over 4. So this is our value of x. Don't just simply leave our answer like this. We need to check. So how to check? Okay. So to check, just now we have x equal to 1 over 4. Okay, we need to substitute this value of x into the original equation. So first we check left hand side. Left hand side is set x plus set x plus 2. So substitute set 1 over 4 plus set 1 over 4 plus 2. Okay. Check our calculator. We will get 2. Okay, and the right hand side 2. So 2 and 2 sama kan? So 2 sama dengan 2. That means we can accept x equal to 1 over 4. That's why our final answer is x equal to 1 over 4 after we check. Okay, let's say if we check left hand side and right hand side, nilai dia tak sama, value dia tak sama. So that means kita tak akan terima x equal to 1 over 4 ni. Okay, maksudnya tak ada jawapan lah. Kita akan bubuh empty set. Next, example 5D, we have set x plus 13 minus set 7 minus x equal to 2. Okay, kalau kita nak square both side straight away pun no problem. But since we have on the right hand side we have only 2, okay, it's better for us to transfer one of the set ke belah kanan. Okay, now we have set x plus 13 equal to 2 plus set 7 minus x. Okay, after this barulah kita square both side. Square and the whole thing square. Okay. So on the left hand side, since we have set squared, straight away we will get x plus 13 equal to 2 plus set 7 minus x and 2 plus set 7 minus x. Okay. Refer to example 5C. Okay. This example is the same method as example 5C. So, you can try by yourself. Check whether you will get x equal to negative 9 or x equal to 3. But, after we check, our final answer is only x equal to 3. Okay, try by yourself. Okay, finally, example 5E. Solve set 3x plus 1 minus set 2x minus 1 equal to set x plus 1. So for this example, kita tak transfer dulu pun tak apa, sebab sama je. Kalau kita transfer ke tak transfer ke, sama saja. Okay, so we can straight away square both side. Okay, make sure the whole thing on the left hand side is square. Okay, semua kat belah kiri tu kita letak dalam bracket, letak square. And then on the right hand side same. Okay, the whole thing square. Now for the left hand side, we need to write like this supaya kita lagi nampak lah. Set 3x plus 1 minus set 2x minus 1 times set 3x plus 1 minus set 2x minus 1 equal to, right hand side ada set square terus, so kita boleh tulis x plus 2. Yang belah kiri ni, okay, dia nampak panjang sikit, so we need to expand carefully. Okay, so set 3x plus 1 multiply with set 3x plus 1, set yang sama sebiji, so hilanglah set, we have 3x plus 1, and then set 3x plus 1 times negative set 2x minus 1, so minus set 3x plus 1 times set 2x minus 1. Set 2x minus 1 times set 3x minus 1, 3x plus 1 minus set 3x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. And lastly, set 2x minus 1 times dengan negative set 2x minus 1. Negative times negative, positive. Set 2x minus 1 times set 2x minus 1, set yang sama, that's why set akan hilang, so 2x minus 1 equal to x plus 2. This part and this part actually it is the same. Jadi kita boleh anggap depan ni ada 1, dekat sini pun ada 1, jadi kita boleh gabung. Okay, next kita kumpulkan yang mana ada set dekat sebelah kiri, yang mana tak ada set dekat sebelah kanan. So negative 1 minus 1, we will have negative 2 set, yang ni kan set A, set B, so actually kita boleh gabung terus, so set 3x plus 1 times 2x minus 1, gabungkan dia. Okay, equal to x plus 2. Okay, kumpulkan yang mana yang tak ada set dekat sebelah kanan. So we have 3x minus 1 minus 2x plus 1. Okay, and then we simplify. Negative 2 set 3x plus 1 2x minus 1 equal to x minus 3x minus 2x. X minus 3 negative 2 minus 2x negative 4x plus 2 minus 1 plus 1, ni habis, so plus 2. Since we have negative 2 here, okay, transfer to the right hand side, we will get set 3x plus 1 2x minus 1 equal to, okay, negative 2 ni kita transfer ke belah kanan, so dia akan jadi divide. Negative 4x divide by negative 2, 2x, this one akan jadi negative 1. As you can see here on the left hand side, okay, we still have set. Okay, kita masih lagi ada set. Jadi bila kita ada set lagi, tak boleh solve. Jadi how to hilangkan set? Yes, again we need to square both sides. Square both sides. Okay, since kita ada satu je set dekat belah kiri, so dia akan hilang je lah set tu. Okay, so now we have 3x plus 1 2x minus 1 equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, kat sini 2x minus 1 squared, so that means we have multiply by 2x minus 1. Okay, so dah hilang set, that means kita boleh solve. How to solve? First, we need to expand. Kita kena kembang dulu. Okay, kembang hati-hati, carefully please. 3x times 2x, we have 6x squared. 3x times negative 1 minus 3x plus 1 times 2x, positive 2x. 1 times negative 1, negative 1, equal to 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 2x times negative 1, negative 2x. Negative 1 times 2x minus 2x. Negative 1 times negative 1 plus 1. Okay, now we have quadratic equation. Again, we need to rearrange. So, we have 6x squared minus 4x squared minus negative 3x plus 2x, negative x, negative 2x minus 2x, negative 4x. Bila kita pindah ke belah kanan, dia akan jadi plus 4x, negative 1. Yang ni pun ada negative 1, so pindah ke belah sini dia akan jadi negative 1 equal to 0. Okay, and then we need to simplify. 6x squared minus 4x squared, 2x squared, negative x plus 4x plus 3x, negative 1 minus 1, negative 2 equal to 0. So, now we have quadratic equation. How to solve? We can use our calculator, factorization. Since we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0, when we factorize, we will get 2x minus 1 and x plus 2 equal to 0. That means our x is equal to 1 over 2 and x equal to negative 2. Okay, we cannot leave it like this. We need to check whether our x is our final answer or not. So how to check? Again, substitute. Okay, check. Since we have our left hand side of our original equation is set 3x plus 1 and minus set 2x minus 1, substitute. Okay, this one, when x equal to 1 over 2, substitute 3 times 1 over 2 plus 1 minus set 2 times 1 over 2 minus 1. When we check using our calculator, we will get 1.581. Okay, next, our right hand side. Okay, our right hand side is set x plus 2. Substitute set 1 over 2 plus 2. Using our calculator, we will get also 1.581. Okay, if we check our left hand side and right hand side, the value is the same. 1.581 and 1.581. That means our value of x equal to 1 over 2 ni, kita boleh terima lah. We can accept it. Okay, next, check when x equal to negative 2. Okay, when x equal to negative 2, left hand side, we have set 3x plus 1 minus set 2x minus 1. When we substitute, we will get 3 times negative 2 plus 1 minus set 2 times negative 2 minus 1. Okay, bila kita check, bila kita tekan calculator, dia akan dapat maths error. Why? Okay, because this one, let's say this one, we have set 3 times negative 2 plus 1. 3 times negative 2, negative 6. Plus 1, negative 5. Bila set negative 5, actually, benda ni you all akan belajar bila you all SEM 3 nanti. Negatif. Surd tak boleh negatif. Bila surd negatif, dia jadi apa? Yang tu SEM 3. So, kalau kita tekan calculator, dia buat max error. Maksudnya dia undefined. So, we reject. Okay, when we reject, maksudnya x equal to negative 2 ni, kita reject, kita tak terima. That's why our final answer is x equal to 1/2 only. This is our final answer. Finally, we have settled subtopic 1.2 Surds. For the next video, we will learn about 1.3 Logarithm. Stay tuned. Bye.